traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking for the end of this wave 3. I think the wave 3 is over. I think that if that is true, then we are very likely in for a very overlapping pattern, which I think is likely a wave 4, probably down to at least a 50% fib level before we make another attempt on the uptrend for the wave 5. And keep in mind that's probably going to last at least 8 months or more. So going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this whole push down is all part of a wave A of wave 4. And I'm still not even really convinced that the wave A is complete yet. Going down to the daily time frame, definitely been going up for almost 2 weeks now, but I still think there's a pretty decent chance that it could be a wave 4, and I still think there's a pretty good chance that it is going to get another big push down for a wave 5. And I still think this is all just a wave A of wave 4 on the much higher time frames, like the weekly, monthly. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. And the yen pairs and the dollar pairs especially have been very slow. I am definitely waiting for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm waiting for a nice engulfing move to the downside to help prove that this is the end of a correction for my next sorting opportunity. I still think this is likely a wave forward. We're likely to push down again for that wave 5. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I've been saying for the last few days, if you are trading below the 1 hour time frame, if you are like a scalper, then definitely you could have been looking for longs ever since we got a break of structure to the upside at the beginning of last week. There's been some pretty decent long opportunities for sure. I definitely am still watching these Fibonacci levels very closely. I'm watching for a nice impulsive down, a nice break of structure. Once I see that, I definitely will go short again and start looking for shorts again for the continuation of the downtrend. I still think it needs to make it that wave 5, and this is actually a wave 4, and this over here would be the end of a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.